Today we will see integration by parts. So whenever you will get two functions like fx into gx and you have to integrate this kind of functions, so that time we can use integration by parts. And for doing this you have this formula, like the first function, suppose this is the first function and this is the second function. So then first function as it is, integration of second function minus differentiation of the first function, integration of second function, then integration of whole. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the integration whenever two product of two functions is given. Okay, so here the important thing is which function you can take as your first function and which one can be taken as the second. For doing that you can use the ILATE rule. Okay, it's ILATE rule. Okay, so here there are some specific meaning of the letters that I've taken here. So I means all the inverse trigonometric functions. So all the inverse trigo functions can be taken as your first. So you will take the functions in this order. Like if you will get an inverse function, then the order will be 1. Means that function can be taken as first function. Okay. And the second one is L. So L means the functions like logs. Yeah, logarithm function. If I'll give you example, then it will be better. So here the inverse trigonometric functions, like you know that sine inverse x, tan inverse x, cos inverse x, all the functions are trigonometric functions. Now in logarithmic functions means the terms having the log. So these will be your log function. The second one that I've taken here is A. A means algebraic functions. And what are algebraic functions? Like 3x square, 1 by x square plus 1. So these kind of functions are your algebraic functions. T is trigonometric functions. So in trigonometric and inverse trigonometric function, just you have to be careful. So here the function will be like sine x, cos x, the simple trigonometric functions, and in inverse you have to take the inverse one. Okay, and the last one is exponential functions. Exponential function means something like e to the power 2x, e to the power x, all these functions are exponential function. So you have to take your functions in this order. That means if your inverse trigonometric function will be there, so that can be taken as your first function. Okay, if log is there, then second function. So in this order you can take your functions. Okay, so these are the order. Okay, so let's say you have to integrate these two. Okay, so here which function can be taken as first and which can be taken as second, we'll find it with the ILATE rule. Okay, so here actually we have how many functions? This is the exponential function and this one is algebraic function. Exponential function will always be taken as the second function. Okay, because e comes in the last, so you can see which function is coming in the first. So that is a algebraic function. So this function can be taken as your first function and e to the power 3x can be taken as your second function. Now we can apply the rule. So first function as it is, okay, integration of the second function minus differentiation of first function, integration of second function, and the integration of the whole. So now we can write it as 9x plus 11, and here you know the integration of e to the power 3x will be e to the power 3x by 3 minus here the differentiation of 9x plus 11 will be 9 only, and here you will get the same thing as you did here, e to the power 3x by 3, and then you have to integrate it again, and then you can give a plus c. So here we will get 9x plus 11 e to the power 3x by 3 minus here 3 can cancel, so you will get 3, and e to the power 3x integration of that will be, after doing the integration here, this one will get 3 e to the power 3x by 3 plus c, and this function will come as it is. So this is your answer for this question. So I hope you are getting now. Now I'm giving you one more example. So we have one is the algebraic functions, and the another one is tan inverse means inverse trigonometric function. So this is the function. So I means first. So this is your first function and this is your second function. Okay. So the formula, first function as it is, integration of second function minus differentiation of first function, and then integration of second function, and then integration of the whole. Okay, so here tan inverse will come as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 minus differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, then integration of this is x square by 2 and then dx. So here you have to integrate this part. So here how can you do so? Half I'm taking outside, so we will get here x square upon 1 by x square. Now I'm just adding 1 and subtracting 1 to integrate this one. So here I'll get 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So now I can integrate it, and this part you can write as it is. So here again we'll get x by 2 tan inverse x, and this side we'll get half. Integration of 1 is x only, and then this will be tan inverse x, then plus c. So that will be your answer. Now sometimes you can get a single function like this also, like inverse trigonometric functions. Now you don't know how to integrate this one, so in that case you can consider this as 1 into sine inverse x. Okay, so here this is your inverse function, so I'll just again write the Euler rule. For Euler rule we can use this one, and here this one will be treated as algebraic function. Okay, this is your inverse trigonometric function, and the one can be treated as algebraic function. Okay, so here this sine inverse will be your first function, and this will be your second function. Okay, one will be your second function. So here first function as it is, integration of second function minus differentiation of first function, and then integration of first function, and after that you have to integrate it again. So here sine inverse will come as it is, integration of 1 it is x only, minus differentiation of sine inverse it is 1 by root over 1 minus x square into integration of 1 is x, that we have done already, and now you have to integrate this one. So this one will come as it is, and here minus sign will come. Now how can we do this? So here you can take your denominator as t, so you will get minus 2x dx will go in dt. So like this you can do it. So here what we will get, x dx can be written as minus half into dt by root t. So now we can integrate it. So here we will get x sine inverse x, minus minus it will become plus half, and integration of 1 by this will be t to the power half by half plus c. So here you will get x sine inverse x, 2 will cancel out, so you will just get t, you can replace, that is 1 minus x square, so it will be root over 1 minus x square plus c. So that will be your answer for this question. So like this, you can apply the Eilert rule to integrate whenever you will get two functions.